The typewriter arrived in a battered box, its keys dull and cold. Mara placed it by the window, admiring its antique charm. That night, as wind rattled the glass, a rhythmic clacking echoed through her apartment. Mara sat up, heart pounding. The typewriter was at work, its keys hammering out words with no one at the helm. She crept closer, breath caught in her throat. The carriage slid, letters imprinting on yellowed paper. Do not look, do not look. Ignoring the warning, Mara leaned in. The keys paused before slamming down. Too late. A cold presence pressed against her back. The typewriter resumed, faster, frantic. It sees you now. It wants to write your story. Mara tried to back away, but invisible fingers clamped her wrists, dragging her hands to the keyboard. The metal keys burned her skin as her fingers danced, not by her will. Words spilled onto the page. She looked. She belongs. She will never leave. In the morning, the typewriter sits silent. But if you listen closely, you can hear the faint click-clack of keys. And if you read the fresh page, you'll see Mara's eyes watching, pleading, forever trapped in the story she helped write.